back to my channel. So today I have a Nykaa haul for you. These are some stuff which I brought from Nykaa, and you know they are extremely affordable and some are on the high end. So if you'd like to know what I purchased from Nykaa recently, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. So let's start with skincare, and for skincare the first product which I picked was this Derma-Co serum. This is their hyaluronic acid serum, and since I belong to the dry skin family, I thought of investing in this. This particularly retails for 900 rupees, but still you can find discounts on Derma-Co, and it's a widely spoken brand. And then I thought of giving it a shot as well, so I picked the serum. Since I was really intrigued by the brand Dot & Key, I thought of picking up their moisture mask. So basically this is sort of a sleeping mask which you apply during the night time to rejuvenate your skin. And you know, it has various cool ingredients such as Bulgarian rose and also chamomile. So I thought why not give it a try, and you know, if it benefits my skin for hydration purposes, then that will be really good. So the third product which I picked was this Dr. Sheth's antioxidant cream. This particularly is meant for repairing your skin, and you know, since I suffer from a lot of texture on my skin and very recently acne scars as well, so I thought why not invest in something which is, you know, aimed at brightening, tightening and clarifying. So basically vitamin E is the ingredient which they've used, and that is quite beneficial for your skin. So I thought of giving this a go. This particular one I thought was a little bit expensive, but Dr. Sheth's skincare is more on the expensive side. So let me see by using it how I like this product. And previously I've used their face wash as well, and I've quite enjoyed that. So let me try this product, and if you would like to see a review, then do not forget to comment below and I shall shoot a review for you soon. And then I got a bunch of products from Namya Organics. This particular brand is aimed at, you know, some really clean ingredient skincare, and I got them as a part of PR, so I thought of sharing them with you guys here. And they are also available on Nykaa, so I'll leave links to it below. And the first product is this lip serum. So basically it's aimed at lightening the lip skin, because someone who's suffering from pigmented lips always look for something that helps them even out their lip tone, and this particular product is actually for that. And the second product which I got from them is their Intimate Hygiene Wash. So these products are extremely essential during the summer months, because you know, your private areas tend to have more bacterial growth. So you know, it's always good to invest in a really nice hygiene wash. And let me see, by trying it I'll review it on my Instagram, so do not forget to follow me there as well. I post many reviews there, so I'll share my thoughts about these products there soon. And the third product is this lip scrub. This is basically a really nice, you know, nourishing sort of a lip scrub, and it has some really cool ingredients like sweet almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, glycerin and vitamin E. All of this is really good for your lips, so definitely you should try this product. So the fourth product is their bump cream, and this particular one helps to enhance the volume and feel and look. So basically this product is meant for your butt, and you know, you should definitely give this one a shot for summers. And it's actually meant for all skin types, so this is quite a unique product, and yeah, you can try this too. So the other skincare product which I picked was this, the Body Avenue eye cream. So basically it's sort of a gel format, and this is very fast absorbing. So you know, you just take a very little amount and you just apply it on the under eye area with the help of your ring finger, and it gets instantly absorbed in your skin. and I also like it because of the fact that it is free from sulfates, and there are no parabens as well, so this is quite a clean brand. And also I really like and appreciate the fact that they are giving it in a glass bottle, and that feels a little more luxurious to me. And the particular ingredients list of this is organic aloe vera, cucumber, grapeseed oil, organic rosehip oil, and lemon peel oil. So basically the ingredient list is also really good and nourishing for your under eye area. And if you are someone who is in your early 20s or mid 20s, you should definitely start using an under eye cream, because you should start taking care of your skin soon. So this particular product is a really good buy. And yeah, the other product I picked was this Kumkumadi skin brightening gel by the brand Ayurvedic. So basically this is aimed at pigmentation. So someone who suffers from pigmentation, dullness, this particular one is really good for that, because it has Kumkumadi and really good amounts of ingredients like turmeric, saffron, etc. So basically those are really good to apply on your skin during the night time, and this step will actually ensure that your skin heals from within. And also this is really good for mature skin people. So the last skincare product is this niacinamide sheet mask. This is from the brand Mamaearth, and I have tried their niacinamide serum for about 5-6 months, and I particularly benefited from it a lot. It's really good for preventing acne and for evening out your skin texture. It's absolutely amazing. So I wanted this in a sheet mask format for the days when my skin feels really dry, and I thought of purchasing this. So now we'll move on to the makeup category, which is my personal favorite, but this time I did not pick up any more makeup because I already have a lot of it, and I am thinking of utilizing the products before buying something new. So this was actually a purchase for my mom, and I picked up this Inside Cosmetics foundation. This is actually a luminous finish foundation, and this particular one is actually very affordable. It's priced at 250 rupees, and also the quantity is quite nice for the price you pay. So I thought of just purchasing it for very specific occasion. And the second product is a sketch pen eyeliner. This is from the brand Swiss Beauty. So Swiss Beauty has some really affordable and well performing products, and sketch pen liners are particularly really good for beginners. And you can see how beautiful the tip of this liner is, and you can see that how beautifully it swatches. So it's really good to make a really thin sort of a winged eyeliner, and also for thick or graphic eyeliners, this eyeliner comes in really handy. So you should give this one a try. And the next in the makeup category is the Sugar Bronzer. This is their Taupe Thrill Bronzer, and this is actually a contouring sort of a bronzing powder. It's more on the cool tone side, and this won't actually show on medium skin tones. It shows very faintly on my skin tone, and I have to build it up a bit. So try going for a little more darker shade when you buy this. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's really sleek, and I am very happy with the fact that they are using a cardboard packaging, which is really nice and biodegradable. This is what the component looks like, and the product looks like this. And the other skincare product which I'd like to show you is the Laneige skincare kit. This is their Walter and Friends skincare kit, and you get a bunch of products here. You get their water sleeping mask, which is the best seller from them. You get their lip sleeping mask, which is my personal favorite, and I have actually gone through a tub of it already. And also a new product from them is their Clean Skin Definer. This is actually a toner and moisturizer. So basically it's really good for dry skin type, and it's really good for nourishing your skin while toning it as well. And also they have two face washes. So basically their face washes come in this sort of a sample like quantity, and this kit particularly is really good for trying out Laneige products. So since I'm a My Glam Beauty ambassador, I get to try a bunch of My Glam products, and so I received a few products from them and I would like to include them in the haul. So first I got this My Glam Ultimate Long Stay Matte Lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. The shade name is Showgirl, and this is sort of a pinky nude tone shade, and this particular shade would actually flatten a lot of skin tones, so you should definitely try it. And I also got the My Glam Lit Nail Enamel. This is the shade by Felicia, and you can see how it looks like. This is a really good sort of a blue. It's like a periwinkle blue, and it looks extremely gorgeous for the summer months. So I think you should try this. This particular one is a matte finish, so that is quite. And then I got this My Glam Wheelie Eyeliner. This is particularly a really innovative product from them, and it has like a sort of a pizza cutter ending, and that is really good for a precise eyeliner application. So yeah, this is what the product looks like, and this is really good for beginners. So you can see this is what the packaging looks like, and it's quite a beginner friendly product. And the last product is this My Glam Stay Defined Liquid Eyeliner and Brow Powder. So basically it's a 2-in-1 product where you get an eyeliner and a brow powder in one. That is so innovative, and you need not carry two separate products in your handbag. And the shades which I got is Walnut and Ebony. So it's really good to create a nice sort of a eyeliner and then fill in your brows when you're on the go. So this is also quite a multi-purpose product to use. These were all the products which I picked up from the Nykaa sale. If you would like to know more about these products, you can check the description box below for links. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me reach 500 subscribers really soon. And I shall be back with a really nice video for you guys. Till then, take care. Bye.